Sanibonani emakhaya, uNkosinathi lo umkhwanazi ezweni naseMarcel Tower Gym. Sila namhlanje Aromat eMadela kufa. Sizonikeza abantu inkonzo yesihle phecelezi soup kitchen. Sabela khona ngeimpahla, isobho nezinkwa. We are giving soup, bread and clothes. Why are we doing that? We are showing appreciation kumphakathi wasethembisa ngomusa nothando abasenzela wona ngisikhampenela ipageant. Besine pageant iminyaka emibili endlule. Besingena umuzi nomuzi sicela usizo kubantu badonate ngaloko benakho kuze ingane zamantombazana iyouth befeze iphupho labo kweze modeling. Sibone kungcono ngingumphathi weMarcel Tower Gym ukuthi nathi siubonge umphakathi wasethembisa ngomusa nangothando. Sibenzele le nkonzo enhle kangaka namhlanje okuyi soup kitchen. I-gym yethu eyenza lo msebenzi ise number 64 Juwambati Street. Kodwa senzele la eAromat ngoba kuyindawo esimasibuka okunabantu noma iyaphithizela isiphithiphithi wonke umuntu engaba khona futhi ke kuyindawo engithanda kakhulu ngoba nalapho sicela usizo khona iwona umphakathi owabukisa noma wadlala isasasa elikhulu kakhulu noma iqhaza elikhulu kakhulu ukwenza inkonzo yethu ibe impumelelo. UNkosinathi nje bafowethu ngiyabonga. Wozani nonke nizothola isinkwa nesobho. Wozani ngobuningi benu, wozani bafowethu. Okay. La ningathola khona, ningasithola enkundleni zokuxhumana. SiyiMarcel Tower Gym ku Facebook, SiyiMarcel Tower Gym ku YouTube, SiyiMarcel Tower Gym ku Instagram, ku TikTok, Beef Stack Psychosomatic kwelinye page the MTG Fitness and Healthy. Inumber zithi 081 77 555 20. Ngicela ukuyiphinda futhi 081 77 555 20.
Greetings to you all. Dumelang sanibonani moleni afsheni. Igama lami akhona Thepila Obana. I am 22 years of age, residing in Tembisa, Miss Marcel Tower Queen. And isizathu sokuthi sibelana namhlanje, it's because we are giving back to the community. Sinikeza abantu isinkwa, isobho, we're giving people food and we're giving people impahla that esizitholile from people that are donating. And kusijabulisa kakhulu ukuthi sibelana namhlanje because we've noticed that Linda Lena has most of the unprivileged people, and indlela yethu yokubonisa uthando kwithembisa nokuthi sibonge ukuthi basizile nathi through our pageant journeys ukuthi size sizonikeza abantu ukudla. And mangabe nawe ufuna ukuza donate something, clothes, to maybe bring more bread as a sponsor, you can get us on Marcel Tower Gym on Facebook, on all social media platforms actually. Sikhona, you can get us there. We have our numbers. We are on Facebook, we are on TikTok, and we'd really appreciate ukuthi wonke umuntu alethe something emphakathini because people do need some help out there. It's just that abakhona ukuthi beze kuwe straight, kodwa nje ngokuthi ubonise uthando komunye umuntu is by just giving back. Amagama wami ogcina for umphakathi is that siyacela ukuthi ni support ulusha, because the reason why we are here today, it's because of Nina. Bahlezi basho ukuthi it takes a village to raise a child. Nathi in our Miss Marcel Tower pageant, we did notice that because we went all around iTembisa sifunana nama donation for us to fund this pageant and to make this pageant a success. So ningayeki bantu abamnyama, ningayeki. We appreciate your help.
Igama lami uThokozile Mahlaba, i-founder ye-Enos Bake. I-Enos Bake ngiqale ngo-2021 during COVID. Ku-Enos Bake sithengisa inhlobonhlobo zamakhekhe. Like ikhekhe ongaliqabanga, ama-scones, ama-mixed biscuits, ama-biscuits, ama-birthday cake, ama-wedding cake. Yonke inhlobo yekhekhe uyayithola e-Enos Bake. Ama-customer wethu yo athanda ama-mixed biscuit. Angithi ama-mixed biscuit like uthola inhlobonhlobo zamakhekhe ahlukahlukene, uthola i-chance yokuthi uteste yonke ikhekhe elikhona lama-biscuit. Aphinde ama-customer wethu athande ama-scones ngoba ama-scones wethu like a-soft, a-fluffy, amunandi. I-Enos Bake we offer ama-baking classes masisi, ama-scones, ama-biscuit, ama-birthday cake nama-wedding cake. Nje mawufuna ukufunda ukubhaka ungeza e-Enos Bake. And e-Enos Bake we also offer ama-catering services. If unemishado, unama-funeral, any event, we do offer ama-catering services. Mawufuna ukufaka i-order lakho, ungasithola ku-078 970 5364. Inamba leyo iye WhatsApp, uyakhona nokusifonela. Okay, sikhona na ku social media, TikTok, Facebook and Instagram, Enos Bakes.